Does it make you more proud to be from Ohio?
Kind of.
I'm guessing this giant hole probably was the town. It's right behind you. It's the town where town was. There's buildings sitting on stilts and everything else all around us right now. Years and years ago. Step through history. And the last thing left is a like 3-story tall smelting furnace. And it's like Egyptian amazingness. It makes me feel so tiny. Well, we'll see you in another place of history. That's what this trip's about. History and hauntedness. It's exciting. Are you ready?